Okay, we are going to test the Potlach application with the Android emulator. We are going to wait to the login screen to be launched, and we are going to log in as the admin user. We should write the name, and password is already there. We log in, and then we see that the main screen is the chains list view. We see that we have 8 chains. They are being loaded dynamically while we scroll the view, and they are loaded also using a cache on memory and disk SD card. We are going to start by this chain with the dog, which is a chain with only one gift. It's owned by the admin, as we see here in the title, and the title is wrong. It's hyena when it's a dog, so that's why somebody has flagged it as inappropriate, as we see in the red, as we see that the button is in red color. If we click again, we see that we cannot unflag the gift. We can only flag the gifts, but we cannot unflag them. We can touch the gift and the counter gets increased with we see the number close to the star. If we click again, the gift is untouched and the counter is decreased. We see also that we can access using the menu to the most touched gift feature, which is a ranking of users ordered by the number of touch received. We see that the user 1 has 5, user 2 has 5, and admin has 3. If we go back and we click this gift again, which belongs to the admin, we see that the counter gets updated, and if we go back to the most touched screen, we see that the admin has now 4. We go back again, and we are going to try to test now the add new gift feature. If we click the plus button on the top, we get to this screen when we can write a title and a new description, and we can take a picture. Clicking the button, we use the emulator, so we take one picture and we save it. And when we go back, we see the picture here, and we see that if we click on create gift, the gift is going to be added to the end of the chain. So now the chain has 2 gifts. If we go back, we see the same chain here, and if we click on it, this is the parent gift now, and we have a child gift below. We can also like it and report it, and we see that the user that created is the admin. So we go back again, and we are going to test the search feature. We see an icon to search here at the top, so we click on it. Now we can write whatever, and we get the results filtered by title. So we see the elephant here, we like it, we go back. We can check again at any moment the most touched gifts, and we see the user 1 has 6 now, the user 2 has 5, and the admin has gone up to 5. So it's second place by alphabetical order. We go back again, And we are going to see now a chain with many gifts, and we are going to see how they are going to be loaded by sending one HTTP request for each picture. So we click on the eagle, and we see that the GIFs are being loaded. Right now only the first two, and if we scroll down we see that the next one is going to be loaded, and so on. So if we scroll more and more and more, different threads are going to be created to load the different GIFs, and they are going to be saved to the cache also, so if we go back we don't need to load them again. So we go straight to the end, which is the Tokyo Tower, and we go up and we see that all the GIFs are there. So we can also touch them, then and we see that the GIFs belong to different users. This one is from user 1, this one is for admin, London Bridge is admin 2. So we know that we have several GIFs marked as of seen. We are going to go back to the main screen. We are going to flag also the elephant, and we are going to filter now by changing the user settings. We go to the settings screen. We see that there's the possibility to set the interval by which we are going to receive notifications, but this is not implemented actually in the code. So we are going to test only the show GIFs that have been flagged. We uncheck the checkbox, we save the changes, so that when we go back to the main screen we can't see the GIFs that have been flagged anymore. And yeah, and we are going to test that we can add a new gift in the main screen, in the chains list view, and then that gift is going to be a new chain. So so we click on the plus button and we add a new one, test 22, and description test 33. We take a picture. Hopefully the SD card is not full. Okay, we take the picture, we save it, and now we create the gift. So we have it here, is a new chain itself, and we can keep adding more gifts to that chain. So the 3, take the picture. Okay, we have it, and create the gift. And now we have two gifts. So we go back. And I think that's all. We are going to uncheck the, we are going to check that the user 1 has now 8, admin 5, and user 2 5. And we are going to check too that we can change the settings again and show the GIFs that are being filtered now, and we have them again back. We have also the test that we already created, and I think that's all. So goodbye and thank you.